single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey, welcome. First off, I like to get out my edges. Like to keep those out, and then I braid the front. I braid those a little smaller because I like to be able to part different ways. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Looks tight, but it really isn't as tight as it looks. And I have the spot I'm trying to grow back in the top of my head, the little bald spot. So I'm putting that away and trying to keep that, because like in the middle right there, you can see it if I don't hide it, keep it hidden. I'm trying to grow it in since high school, so forever. Showing where I just like to plait my little edges up on the sides. Haven't gotten to that side yet. I've braided it all to the back. I like to take the end piece and get the crochet needle and really tuck it in and get that in, tucked in. I really like this way because I get to be able to still grease my hair. And this is the kind of hair I got at my local beauty supply store. And there I probably see the price. I paid $5.99 a pack. And I got 5 packs, even though I only used 4.5. And this is out the pack. The bundle was pretty good, like pretty good thickness. I forget how many locks that actually came in the pack. I want to say it's between 9 and 11 actual strands or locks of hair. But yeah, I'm showing you here how, after I got them braided up, how I like to close them so that when I do my parts, if there isn't a big whole gap all the way down the back of my head. That's how I get the crochet needle in, and I'll just crochet in a piece of hair. And as you can see, I've already started crocheting, which I'm not showing how I actually crochet because I'll put a link in the description box of the lady that I've been doing it for the past 6-7 years from. And here I'm showing you how far I've gotten in at the top and how the parts look. I used her invisible part method, hairline method. But I do like to have my edges out, because when it gets really grown out, that really helps a lot too. Then here is the finished product with all the hair in that I was gonna put in. And if you all want to see a finished look or a couple finished looks of this hair that I've done, because I was supposed to put this up months ago, but yeah, you know, life, and work, yeah. But this is the hair, and I haven't done anything to it at all. I'm gonna pull it up, show you how it looks. Middle part, how natural it looks. The side, yeah, the edges. I'm gonna slay the edges. Don't worry about that. They're gonna be, I don't like baby hairs out, but that's not me, but it's gonna look good. When you see the finished look, if you want to see the finished look, subscribe, like, comment below if you really want to see it, and I'll put up a video about how I did it and how I got the look and everything for you. Yeah, I'm just showing you how the top looks, and another part, like the side parts I do. Just showing how natural it looks. And thank you so much for watching.